Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I am going for some plant shopping for my new home. I'm going to buy some indoor plants as well as a few outdoor plants for my balcony. As of now, I really don't know what type of plants I want, but just to make my balcony look good, I am here to shop a few plants. फिर रहते रहते देखते हैं कि कैसे प्लांट्स ज़िंदा रहते हैं या नहीं. सो लेट्स सी. हियर आई एम एट अ ब्यूटिफुल नर्सरी विच इज़ वेरी क्लोज बाय फ्रॉम माय प्लेस. કેટલા ફાઇન છે આ બધા રોઝીસ બેકવાળી બાલ્કની માટે. હેલો
એનો ખવડાવવું
હાય 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 હેલો. ઓકે ઓકે રિલેક્સ રિલેક્સ. સ્નેક પ્લાન્ટ પણ સારું છે હીથ. सच गुड वेराइटी. मोगरा हाँ. वो मोगरे को कितना चाहिए धूप? So I wanted to purchase roses, but they weren't that good quality. So I thought I'll go ahead with mogra. Right now I want one plant at least which could smell good, like one flower. बाकी तो green ही लूँगी. Flower वाले कम ही इस मौसम में I'll prefer because there's no sunlight right now. Like it is so cloudy these days, so there's no point and it will die. So मुझे risk नहीं लेना. Otherwise I'm just going to go ahead with good indoor plants जिसको सिर्फ पानी हफ्ते में 1-2 दिन ही देना पड़ता है या फिर हफ्ते में 1 दिन, which is like Sunday to Sunday, and then my job is done. Along with plants, he also had such good variety of ceramic pots which was like so beautiful.
नहीं दूसरा कोई वो तो नहीं वो वही वाला नहीं, दूसरा कोई कर सकता है.
ये आउटडोर है या इंडोर है भैया? ये आउटडोर है.
इंडोर है.
इंडोर है. बालकनी में मर जाएगा.
मर जाएगा.
अरे
તો અંડર રાખને પણ સરસ છે.
કલરફુલ સારું લાગે.
તો તને એ જ કહું છું પેલા કોઈ એમ લાગે ફાટેલા પ્લાન્ટ લઈને.
અરે આઈ વોઝ સેઇંગ કે સોફાની બાજુમાં વી કેન પુટ ધીસ વન અને ત્યાં બે ગ્રીન પામ એન્ડ
इसके
that.
अंदर कौन सा कर देते?
I really like the ceramic pots, but then I didn't purchase any because this would look good indoors only, and I didn't want it to risk it because Agastya is too naughty and he might break it. You know, he plays ball and cars and stuff at home inside, so I can't risk it. They are too expensive, and then if he breaks it, it will going to break my heart. फ्लावर कितने दिन में आएगा भैया? ये मोगरा है ना?
कितना दिन में फ्लावर है?
15 दिन में भी आ जाएगा. एक दिन में भी आ जाएगा.
हैं?
15 दिन में भी आ सकता है. एक दिन में भी आ सकता है.
दवाई
कीड़े का दवा
મસ્ત છે તે આ એક્ચ્યુઅલી અંદર હોવું જોઈએ. ઓકે
બહાર જ સરસ લાગે. અંદર વી આર ઓલરેડી ટેકિંગ દેટ નો.
ઓકે
હેલો. એટલી બ્યુટીફુલ છે ને.
इसका ठीक से लगा.
No, no. Sally. Hello. Come, come, come. No jumping, no jumping. So we are home. We got all the plants. I mean necessary plants. I didn't wanted to purchase so many at a time. धीरे धीरे देखते हैं कौन से कहाँ पे कितने ज़िंदा रहते हैं. And then I thought I'll again go and purchase few more. But as of now, only these many plants are okay. And now I'm going to teach Agastya to seed some plants. Now Agastya,
Yeah.
this is coriander seeds.
Huh?
So we will put this here.
I should take now.
No, wait. And this is fenugreek seeds. We will put in this one. Okay? Okay? Dig.
Yes, I will.
Small, small. It should not fall out. हाँ.
Yeah, cool.
Ready?
Yes, ready.
Yeah. So you have to do.
Is she doing this?
No, only in this. Put. Put some more. Put the seeds. Do that. I think this should be enough. Wait, leave it. Okay.
Can I do it? I want to do it.
बस
बस बस बस हाँ.
बराबर
आणि शेज येऊ लागेल ना ऊपर थोड़ी माटी आराम कर दे आमाती
મને કરવા દે ને
आराम कर दे
મને કરવું
हाँ,
છે
ले.
हाँ बेटा
और नीचे पड़ेली भी भभराई दे और पानी નથી રેડતી કારણ ઇનફ
ના ના પાણી ના રેડી સાજે ખાલી ઢંકાવા જ જોઈએ બસ 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 ઢંકાવા તો જોઈએ ને હા તો જ ફૂટે ને એટલે ઢંકાવા તો જોઈએ
હા એ આમાં કરું છું
આ જો તને ફિનોમિના બતાવી દે આજ તે ગમે તે ઉગાડ આપણે ખેતરમાં પેલી આમ ખાલી આમ ચાસટ પાડીએ બરાબર અને પછી સીડ નાખી દે હા એટલે
વેટ અગસ્ત્ય
કારણ કે બહુ ઊંડે જાય તો બિચારાને ફૂટવું હોય તો ના ફૂટી શકે.
બસ
બહાર
અગસ્ત્ય
plant જ
need
નાખી
it
દે.
બસ now
બસ,
don't
બેટા,
don't
બસ,
dig
થઈ ગયું.
don't dig now it's done okay
તડકે મૂકી દે.
now leave it here
And now what we have to do?
now we will do other seeds
Other things.
this one
In
Okay.
this, and then we have to pour some water.
no we don't need to pour water in this one we'll pour water in all this ones
Okay. Right today.
yes
Okay.
now dig this
I'll good.
like this
Okay. I'll do it.
wait ha dig leave it and put this no don't do that Agastya now put this
Okay. I'll put.
like this wait
Can I do it? Can I do it?
yes wait baby let me dig inside and do no
Then I also want to do like that. Eh.
nice
Yes, I want to do also like that.
ले do हाँ बस no you are taking it out आगू done
Yes, done.
ले right now
We doing that one. This three.
pour this water in this
Wait.
which plant is this Agastya this is mint leaves mint leaves come on give water
One is finished.
very nice do it again give again everywhere. So Agastya has like we have done methi, fenugreek and coriander. So let's see after a couple of weeks how are they growing. Methi is going to grow too fast. I mean within 5-6 days, but coriander might take a little time. Meanwhile, thank you for watching this vlog. Please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And you also can plant one seed and grow something in your balcony or garden. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.